This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, Dbeaver installed and server credentials on hand. Open Dbeaver and select Database New Database Connection. Choose the specific engine. Once chosen, the driver may download automatically. Allow it. Enter host, port, database name, user, and password in the connection dialog. Make sure to test the connection button to verify reachability. If the test fails, check firewall or host IP before proceeding. When the test succeeds, click Finish to create the connection stub. Once the connection exists, right-click it in Database Navigator and open SQL Editor or choose Create Database in the context menu. If using SQL, run a Create Database statement with encoding and owner, for example. Create Database MyDB with encoding UTF-8 owner muser. If you prefer GUI, follow the wizard fields for name, encoding, and owner. After creation, refresh the Navigator view. Make sure to configure SSL or SSH tunnel in connection settings if remote access requires it. To finalize, refresh the schema list and expand your new database to confirm objects. Grant necessary privileges with grant statements or the user management GUI, and set a default schema so queries run correctly. Save the connection profile and optionally create a project for scripts. If something goes wrong, inspect the Dbeaver error log and database server logs. Verify driver version, network routes, credentials, and SSL settings. If a driver is missing or incompatible, update it and retest the connection. Then retry your action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.